Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you where to find an open source photo editing software. So first of all, if you'd open up a browser and then go to this URL, it's called ninite.com, N-I-N-I-T-E.com, and then scroll down and under the column that says imaging, please pick out paint.net. Once you have checkmarked that, scroll down to step number 2 and it says get your Ninite. Once that happens, then there's going to be a download down here in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. If you click the up arrow, you can say show in the folder. It'll show you the folder that it's going to be downloading it to. And here you can see that there is Ninite Paint.net installer executable. Go ahead and run that and install that on your machine. One thing I want to tell you about using Ninite, these are open source software, so that means that they're free to use, but Ninite scans all of them and does not put any third-party applications attached to them, so this is a safer area to find those applications. So once you've got that installed, then if you can go down to your start menu, I'm going to see here. So I'm going to click on my start menu and go to your program files, and you're going to find paint.net. So they'll take a little bit to install, but once it installs, then close out the window and find paint.net. So here it is, paint.net, and you're going to open up that application. And this is what that application looks like. So there's some things that you need to pay attention to. There's a toolbar in the top left-hand menu that has your file, edit, view, image, layers, adjustments, and effects. There's also tools here. So if I click, let's just open up, I'll just make a new image just to get us started. Here's where you want to set the dimensions of your image and your resolution. So I've got that just opened up. Once I created just a blank image, it activates the toolbars. So you are interested in this tools toolbar here. So you can see these are things that you can use as far as manipulating, editing some of the images. I'm going to keep this pretty basic though. So that's one area that you're be interested in. Another area is over here on the right hand side. You're going to see a history panel, which it tells you each step that you made. So if you need to back up a few steps, you can do that. And then there's a layers panel. I like to use paint.net because it simulates Adobe pretty well. Adobe uses layers, so you layer on images to get different effects. Okay, so once you've got that all installed, you're ready to go. So you can play with that. One last thing, two last things. You can see that there's colors. You can make background colors, foreground colors, text colors. And so you would use this panel right here that's called colors over here on the left hand side of my screen. And then up above, you're going to have projects toolbar. You can see that I've got just a blank document. As you have more documents opening up, they will just show up along the top here, so that if you want to switch between projects that you're working on, cutting and pasting something out of one into the other, this is how you can navigate in between those. So that's just your quick and dirty how to get your open source photo editing software. Thank you.